Kaylin, can you say hi? Can you say hi? Huh? Hi. Really? You don't say. You don't? Come on, talk story, tell more. You're chewing on that tongue. Kaylin, can you smile for Mama? Hello. Hello, sugar. Hi. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Tell them more. Come on. Talk to us. Hi. Hi. Yes. How are you? I saw that smile. I saw that smile. Do, 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 do. You want to say bye? Really? Yeah? You don't say. Say, Daddy, I miss you. You say hi? Say hi to Daddy. You say hi. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Come on. Come on. Hello. There we go. Bye-bye.